Hi guys, thanks for tuning in and welcome to another unboxing episode. So today we are going to do an unboxing of the Mini GT Bentley Continental GT3 Christmas Edition 2020, which is being specifically designed by Bentley designer Phil Dean exclusively for Mini GT. So before we get into the unboxing, I'll quickly give you a run through as to what this box looks like. So on the side you have the normal Mini GT logo with the vehicle number as well as the vehicle name. It comes in a nice box as compared to other normal boxes that you get Mini GT vehicles in. And also, as usual, you have the details of the Mini GT on the rear side of the box, and also you have the TSM model sticker, and you also have the Bentley officially licensed product logo on the rear side of the box as well. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Right, comes in a nice black color plastic casing. Let's take out the car. All right, so that's the car. So that's the side. It's the wheels are movable. Comes in nice gold color alloys. You also have the exhaust on the side. You have the Mobile One sponsor decals, and on the front side you have the headlights done in plastic, and also a nice highlight that has gone into the grille itself. You also have the Bentley logo. That's the rear side of the vehicle. You have the Bentley logo as well with some nicely detailed rear lights. On the spoiler you have the Bentley Motorsport logo, and it says Merry Xmas on the spoiler. So overall it's a very beautiful looking car. I love this Christmas livery on its body. As you can see, it really gives that Christmas feeling to this particular vehicle. So overall it's a nice looking and a beautiful beautifully done vehicle by Mini GT once again. Alright guys, so that's about it for the today's unboxing, and I think I forgot to mention this to you. So these ones comes in a limited edition production as well. So you can see that only 9,999 of these pieces are ever produced. So I've got one of that in my collection now. So as always, if you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and also please subscribe to the channel so you guys will get notified when we upload any new videos. Until next time, stay tuned.